Hey, you bring your
drone?
Yeah.
For sure. So in today's episode, it can't take him nowhere.
Man, nah,
Vaughn just got us in trouble trying to steal inner tubes, bro.
First off, that was Keisha's idea.
That was Keisha. That was. Absolutely. Absolutely.
Hey, man, I got two friends, Tyler. Scott and Tyler. Scott, my best friend.
Who's gonna scream? Him? Yep, he's gonna scream too? Me? I'm not gonna scream. I'm seasoned.
Yeah, you are.
What you say? Yeah. There you go, my man. Your man. Yep. Welcome to the Kalahari. Got my cabana remote. It's time to get in. You dig? What's up? Oh, you going back to the room? Let her to it. While I was wrong. You tired?
Yeah, I'm about to take a nap. Is it cold?
Why you do that? Listen.
It's Nick Nickerson tuning back in here at the 11th hour. What is going on now is the great debate. The great debate is happening for the last hour and a half versus go to the mall now. I don't know what's going on here. She's having convulsions, people.
Come on, Keisha. You gotta just...
And figuring out where we're going to go. No. Just...
Hold up. Wait. Whoa. Us.
Here we go.
Hey, it was all smooth.
Play on, play. Oh, skip to my loo. Lean with it, rock with it. Lean with it, rock with it.
Boy, you don't know about player band.
How's that drink, Cannon?
It's good, actually. It's fruity, strong, pretty.
5 minutes later.
we got to be the cleanest folks at the whole water park, you heard? I swear. We got to be the cleanest at the water park.
Hold on.
What's up?
Okay.
Never Jay in the hood.
You heard? Okay. All right.
Yeah.
You want me to defend you or what?
You shouldn't have Man, I don't do public defenders, but all right, our money long over here.
Oh, okay. All right. Just shoot. Get it. Good luck rotting in jail, you rat. This fool's and pulled the car around the back.
Hey man, listen, new day, new experience,
Yeah.
something learned.
You're right. You're
I'm
right.
just saying that you ever over here again, you can pull your car back. Look at that.
They probably think it's a service vehicle. Truth be told. Yeah.
Good stuff. We'll catch you guys.
The following is intended only for mature audiences. Viewer discretion advised.
This should be played at high volume, preferably in a residential area.
Bro, these are spandex.